Introducing Driver's Therapy's jewelry collection, exclusively here at Driver's Therapy. Okay, we haven't started a new jewelry line. I mean, it would look pretty cool. Look at a bracelet, earrings. No. You know what these are, guys? If you need to figure out what a mystery bolt is, this will answer the question. These are the real deal. These are the things that you need if you're an actual garage guy, if you're a technician, a mechanic. It doesn't matter if you're HVAC, automotive, trucks, submarine, spaceships. This is really helpful. Why did I buy these? Well, I had this thing, and this thing is really cool. We made a video about it. It's a bolt gauge, and you could do a lot of checking. But in the back, it says you could check the thread pitch on it. And it's just like these like little random notches there. And like, what are you supposed to do? Just go over there and be like, it just makes no sense. And really, you can't tell what pitch you have with these. It's just really hard. So then I bought one that's just a little bit better. It's kind of like a half of what the one we're going to show you is. And it's a little bit better than this, but these guys, these are the real deal. These are cool because somebody really put in a lot of work on them. So what we're going to do is we're going to show you guys, we have one bolt that we know what this is. And then we have some bolts that we don't know what they are. So we're going to show you real quickly how this works. So we know that our bolt gauge does its job. It can measure, it can tell you some stuff, but when it comes to checking out the pitch, it's really hard. And that's why one of these is just amazing, because not only can you actually check if it matches, but you could actually thread it inside something and see if you have a perfect fit. So I know that this is a metric side. So I know from the website, this says it's an M61 right here. So check this out, guys. So we have it, and it literally looks identical as far as the threads. And then I could actually screw it in there, and it's like perfect. It's like a perfect, easy fit. And they're not gonna let you trick yourself. They're not gonna, you know, if you try to put in this one, it doesn't work. And then of course this one, it's just not going in there. Now we have some bolts that we have no idea, like check out this one. I don't know what this is, but I could already assume that it's gonna be one of the two smaller ones. So we have M508, and honestly, that goes in there perfectly. So I do wanna check. We know it's not gonna fit that one, and we know that it's probably not gonna fit this last one. And then we could check, look at that, guys. That's a perfect, so now if we need to order one, we go online and we could say, I need an M5 times 0.8. And of course, if we need to check the length, we could always use, you know, our gauge right here, and this would tell us it's a 25. All right, check out this big bad boy, right? So, you know, we could start looking right away. That looks kind of like it. And ooh, that doesn't look like it wants to go in there. So let's try this one. That's a better fit right there. So that's an M8 times 1.25. And then those look correct. After you've done this a while, you could tell like, oh, this kind of looks like an M6. So we could just go to an M6 and perfect. And that's what these are for, guys. So you could check things, so you can know things. This is what makes you into a professional. This is what makes you into knowing, having the right tools and having the right information for your build and your projects. And of course, we have the standard side for if you need those. But this is awesome, guys. And you're not gonna find something this nice. You're gonna have something like this, or you're gonna have something like this. And really, that's just not gonna do the job. Well, guys, I know you're sold. So in the description, you could hit that link. It's the Amazon affiliate link. When you click it, it helps us out. It's gonna take you to Amazon and you could buy a set. Stuff like this doesn't come around because this looks like a really cool idea somebody had. They put it together and I think it's genius and it's a must-have in your garage. Well, here at Driver's Therapy, we appreciate you. Thank you for watching. You take care, stay safe, and we'll talk to you soon.